Okay, so by now you know how to create ARM templates or start with the quick start templates from Microsoft and massage them to get your result. But what happens when the templates become really, really large, and what if you want to share things between teams? Well, the answer to that is linking templates. So you might start out with your main template and then have like an optional resource template for, say, virtual machines that you want to add. Then you might have a shared resource template for things like maybe your network or storage you want to share amongst other templates. And perhaps you have member resource templates that you want to consume. These might contain reusable scripts or custom scripts in them. But how do we actually go about achieving this? And linking templates is done in a couple of ways. Your inline method, which is where you create an entire ARM template in the body of an existing template. So your main template's there, and then you just start a new ARM template right inside the body. Alternatively, you can use the external method where you link to an external template. This could be located somewhere else, could be on GitHub, for example. And what you do here is you can have your parameters still inline as you link to the external template, or you can still link to an external parameter set. So just think about that for a moment. You could have an external ARM template you're linking to and an external parameter set, or an external ARM template you're linking to, but you declare your parameters inline. This from an inline example, if we look at it there from the properties perspective, we immediately declare a new template resource and immediately start with another schema, content version, parameters, variables, resources, etc. Again, we're just creating an ARM template inside of our main template. From an external example, very similar, but if we look at our properties section at the bottom there, we have a template link to a URI where we've located our next template. So in this case, I've got a new storage account.json template stored in blob storage there. And then I've also chosen to use my parameters as another external link. So I'm referencing an external parameters file as well. So pretty good stuff from a linking and ARM management perspective. Another thing to keep in mind are some of the key ARM functions, and you're expected to know these for the exam. So for example, you need to be aware of the copy function. This enables us to declare a resource, then just say, hey, we want to copy it 3 more times, and we'll see that in a subsequent demo. We also have copy index. This is a way of us saying, okay, well, we want to name something and we want to name it according to the iteration that's going through the loop of our copies. You'll see this in the demo again, but know that copy index, could be used to concatenate against a string and make it unique by copying that index value in there. And finally, we've got the depends on function as well. And this just tells us that a specific variable depends on another one or another piece in the ARM template that we've created. But again, I advise you to kind of check that out in the subsequent demos. It will kind of bring that home for you. Just know about these functions for the exam.